Welcome to Tech Surfers. Today's video I will show you how you can remove those black box from above of the software icon. So follow the step by step tutorial. So firstly you have to go to here and search Regedit. So click on this. So you will come to this site and here you have to go to HK local machine software and then Microsoft. So follow the steps properly and then in the bottom of the site you have to click Windows and then in the Windows you have to click current version and then here you have to find Explore. So here is the Explore and then you will find here shell icons. So this is the shell icon. So you have to click shell icon and then you have to click on it and then you have to click remove 0 and you have to put 1 by removing 0 and then click OK. So and then you have to minimize this and here search task manager and then here is the task manager. So scroll down it and then here you will find Windows Explorer. Right click on it and then restart. So as you can see this, I have successfully removed the black boxes from all the software icon. So if you find this video helpful, you will definitely subscribe my channel and join our others community. So thank you so much for your time.